Listen closely to that interaction. Rania is not a human. You are listening to an AI voice agent. These systems receive calls, answer questions, book appointments, and take orders. They operate 24 hours a day, take no sick days, and never draw a salary. You no longer need a large, expensive staff to handle incoming customer traffic. A single person can orchestrate this entire system from a laptop. Over the next 5 minutes, I will give you a complete step-by-step roadmap to launch a highly profitable, one-person AI voice agency. Step 1 is identifying your exact target market. Pitching this technology to every local business is a waste of your time, because not every business actually benefits from voice automation. This diagram shows the 3 mandatory criteria for a qualified lead. You must target businesses that currently employ a receptionist, receive high volumes of basic query calls, and actively lose revenue when a call goes unanswered. Specific local businesses fit this mathematical profile perfectly. Restaurants, dental clinics, and local tradesmen like plumbers rely on these calls. If a customer calls to book a table and no one answers, that customer simply calls a competitor. Do not restrict yourself to your local geography. Appointment-heavy industries like international salons and spas rely on phone bookings, making them ideal targets anywhere in the world. Applying this strict filter ensures you only spend effort selling to business owners whose bottom line will directly improve from your product. To build the agent, we will use a platform called Vapi. Vapi is a software engine that lets you create conversational AI agents using simple drag-and-drop integrations, completely eliminating the need to write code. Keep your first build extremely simple. Instead of a complex, multi-purpose tool, design an agent that solves one specific problem, like taking basic reservations for a restaurant. Test the bot thoroughly. Call it yourself, have your friends call it, and feed it difficult questions. Refine its instructions until it handles the conversation smoothly. Your objective here is to record a live screen demonstration of yourself calling the AI and successfully completing a booking. This single recorded video is your core sales asset. A flawless working prototype completely replaces the need for an established portfolio or past client work. With your prototype finished, you have to price a digital service while having zero industry reputation. Current marketplace data shows that basic inbound voice bots built by intermediate freelancers sell for roughly 19,000 to 38,000 rupees. On the higher end, established agencies charge 72,000 to nearly 100,000 rupees for advanced bots featuring complex CRM integrations. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, which is the software businesses use to track their client data. This chart illustrates the pricing formula you should use as a beginner. Find the market average for your specific bot type and apply a strict 33 to 50% discount. You are intentionally underpricing your work to eliminate buyer friction. Closing these early deals gives you the crucial client testimonials required to raise your rates later. To secure your initial clients, execute the 2+2 acquisition matrix. This balances 2 short-term tactics for immediate cash flow with 2 long-term strategies for inbound growth. Short-term tactic 1 is cold outbound. Search Google Maps for specific targets, scrape their contact data, and send your demo video directly to the owners. Short-term tactic 2 is utilizing online marketplaces. Set up a profile on Fiverr. It takes patience to overcome the initial friction of having 0 reviews, but optimizing your profile puts your service directly in front of active buyers. Long-term strategy 1 is content creation. Document your building process, including your failures, on platforms like LinkedIn and YouTube, so future clients can discover your work organically. Long-term strategy 2 is word of mouth. In B2B sales, your clients network with peers in identical industries. If your bot solves a problem for one clinic, they will refer you to other clinic owners. Your outbound outreach and marketplace listings generate survival revenue today, while your content and referrals build an automated inbound lead machine for tomorrow. Eventually, a single-person service business hits an unbreakable physical limit. You only have so many hours to build agents and manage client relationships. At that point, you have scaling option A, the agency model. You hire junior developers to build the bots and a dedicated sales team to pitch them, multiplying your total capacity. Scaling option B is the SaaS pivot. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. You repackage your specific AI agent into a standalone app that thousands of users can subscribe to, creating infinite scale without adding proportional headcount. Both paths lead to massive scale, but neither is possible until you sit down and master your very first single-agent build. Let's review the steps. You identify a niche bleeding revenue from missed calls. You build a targeted Vapi demo. You price it using the 33% discount rule, and you launch your 2+2 outbound matrix. The technological barriers to entry for a solo founder have disappeared. The only variable left is your willingness to execute. If you are ready to begin, pause this video right now. Go to the comments and type out the specific AI business or startup idea you plan to build. I will select 3 comments and invite you to a one-on-one Zoom consultation to help turn your raw idea into an actionable reality this year.